What's up, YouTube? This is Matt coming back with another video for you guys. Wanted to give you a quick update on some things, and this is also going to be a kind of a update on what we're doing with the Fox body here, Turbo Fox body. We got some big plans in store for this car. Going to be changing it up completely, to be honest with you. It's going to be cool, but it's something I want to do, and I think I'll enjoy the car a lot more after I do it. I hope, anyways. I may go the other way. I don't know. We'll see. But either way, you're going to see some clips here in a minute of what the turbo sounds like, what it looks like, and basically just the overall view of what this On3 kit has been. It's been great. I've enjoyed it. Haven't really had any problems out of it. My main complaint is I just don't like the way the Fox bodies sound with the turbo. They're not really, they don't have a lot of sound to them at all. You can hear the turbo sounds when you're in it all the way, but just cruising around, it's super quiet, and you lose that Fox body sound that I love and grew up and fell in love with when I was just a kid, and that's why I like them so much. So we're going to be doing some changes to get that back, plus a little extra. So I will show you those clips here in a moment. I'm also, before I cut this clip and go to those, because this will kind of be a short video, because I'm just going to do a quick update and show you this, and then I'm going to start another video of taking this kit apart, because the gentleman that is buying it has requested that I do some of that so he can see where everything goes, and I guess maybe if he's wanting to do it himself, he has something to go by. I know that stuff's all over YouTube, but I told him I would kind of do a little bit of that. I'm not going to go super in depth, but I'll just hit the main points. So let me show you around. Of course, we kind of started, batteries out already. That's all we've done, but we're getting ready to just start nickel and diming this thing by taking one piece off at a time and doing it a little bit at a time. And then I will show you what we are replacing it with. No, it's not my WRX's engine. That is getting rebuilt because it is locked up, which that's a video and a story all in of itself. I don't even know if I'll do a video on it, but yeah, so that's for my WRX. But this guy over here is what we are going to, and we kind of talked a little bit about that in the last video and kind of gave you a teaser. But this is what we're going to be going with, and I know that's not the most ideal intake, but to be honest with what we're doing, it's going to make plenty of power, and if I need to free up 20 or 30 horsepower here and there, then we'll certainly look into that in the future. But otherwise, that's what is being prepared. It is a 347 of sorts, and we'll get into more, like I said, more in depth with that. And then this guy right here is going to be paired with that, which that is a Vortec blower, of course, with the cog drive. So yeah, it's going to be good. I'm excited about it. I'm looking forward to it. Gonna start swapping everything over. It's winter time here in Tennessee, so kind of the fun car driving stuff is over for now. We've actually already had a snow, and they've already salted the roads once, so that's typically my cue for calling it for the winter. So anyways, I'm gonna wrap this clip up, and I will post the in-car and outside the car videos of what this turbo sounds like. Again, great kit. Really didn't have any problems installing it. Everything was there. I did add on all the things I needed to complete it. It's got the Y pipe for the cat back to be able to attach all that. So it's a complete kit, and I have a gentleman wanting that already, so I'm going to take it off to give it to him. And then also going to be parting out this engine. It's got Edelbrock Performer heads on a stock factory forged short block, and then E-cam, so nothing too special, just basic stuff. But yeah, so I'm going to wrap this clip up, and I will start working on this thing. Of course, you'll see that in another video, but I'm going to start taking this apart. So until the next one, we'll catch you later. Have a good one.